Russia's Su-57 stealth fighter has reportedly achieved a key milestone in its fifth-generation development, reaching full operational maturity with the introduction of its long-awaited next-generation engine. The aircraft successfully completed its first flight equipped with a new Product 177 engine, marking a major advancement in the fighter's thrust, efficiency, and overall combat capability. Engineers designed Product 177 to significantly boost the Su-57's thrust output while improving maneuverability, range, and flight performance across a variety of air, ground, and maritime mission profiles. At the core of the Su-57's transformation lies the Product 177 engine, which promises to elevate the fighter to its intended fifth-generation potential. The engine delivers unprecedented thrust, fuel efficiency, and thermal resilience, directly addressing limitations in earlier propulsion systems. Over a decade of research has closed the gap that previously constrained the Su-57, enabling operations previously achievable only by Western fifth-generation fighters. Product 177 produces roughly 16,000 kilograms of thrust in afterburner mode, granting the fighter extended speed and maneuverability. The engine allows sustained supersonic flight beyond Mach 1.6 without relying on afterburner, improving operational stealth and fuel efficiency. Reduced infrared signature and lower fuel consumption extend the aircraft's combat radius across vast theaters of operation. Advanced materials enhance thermal tolerance and lower maintenance burdens, allowing the fighter to endure intensive sorties. Digital engine controls provide precise thrust modulation, improving responsiveness during high-alpha maneuvers and extreme combat situations. The combination of efficiency and power translates into a larger operational envelope, enabling longer missions with heavier payloads. The integration of Product 177 has narrowed the performance gap between Russia's Su-57 and Western fifth-generation fighters, establishing the aircraft as a credible global competitor in air combat. Analysts suggest that this successful combination could allow the Su-57 to reach full operational deployment by 2028, with production and deliveries ramping up to meet both domestic and export demands. The milestone enhances the Su-57's overall performance envelope, including range, payload, endurance, and mission versatility, rather than simply increasing raw thrust. The Su-57 is capable of executing complex air-to-air, air-to-ground, and anti-ship missions, making it a true multi-role platform for modern combat operations. Russian officials emphasize that the Su-57 has been battle-tested in real operations over Syria and Ukraine, arguing it is the only fifth-generation fighter with combat-proven capabilities. Rostik, Russian defense manufacturer, said, and I quote, "The Su-57 has excellently proven itself in real combat conditions and confirmed that it meets the requirements for fifth-generation aircraft complexes, including in terms of stealth characteristics." The Su-57 continues to be modernized, taking into account the experience of its use in the Special Military Operations Zone. Unquote. The test flight and engine milestone reinforce Russia's strategic messaging that it remains a key player in global air combat, despite sanctions and Western technological pressure. Observers note that the success of the test flight signals Moscow's ability to circumvent sanctions and continue developing high-end military aviation technologies. The Su-57's upgraded performance may place additional competitive pressure on China's J-20 fighter, particularly in markets where operational range and payload capacity are prioritized by potential buyers. The aircraft's improved endurance is likely to attract buyers seeking long-range, high-performance fighters capable of sustained operations in large theaters. In modern air combat, the ability to remain airborne longer and engage at extended ranges often determines the outcome of encounters, making endurance a key component of air superiority. Moscow is reportedly accelerating production to supply more Su-57s to its own air force and to overseas customers interested in acquiring advanced stealth technology. Russia has been actively marketing the Su-57E variant to India, offering full technology transfer as part of efforts to secure international defense contracts and strengthen strategic ties.